lovely people all around the world. It's your guy, Orlando. Today I want to speak about nature. All the sciences around us. You know, we human beings just stick to one science, like we just use this science of black magic, witchcraft, all of them sciences that they use to keep people down. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, that line of words. And we have ecoscience. All of this. Much more better to talk about, much better to understand. You know what I mean? But we choose to speak about ourselves. In some aspect, when you're a doctor, you can speak about people because you're going to have to heal them, yeah? But when you're just normal people, don't know stuff about these things, leave it alone. And if you're getting more enlightened in your brain, in your life of existence, because not everybody learn the same stuff the same time. So we can all agree to disagree about stuff. But nature has been my journey since I was young. I didn't know that it is this big. With my last name as Bloomfield and all of that, I wasn't paying attention to the last name. It will lead me to one thing. These Englishmen back in the days were very brilliant. They used their names for our justified living. So these men, I guess they studied the strength and all of that about us human beings. So when the gene pool was mixing and all of that, because they know, black, white, white, black, black, right, back. They know that. You know what I mean? So, they do is, and they write books. Smart people. So that will lead me to one thing too. For us in this biology of togetherness, we need to look for smart ideas. Bring up smart black people. Let's write. Let's do art. Art covers mathematics, English, well, language in general, because there's no bothers when it comes to language. If I'm talking to you and you're understanding what I'm saying, I'm getting across. So let's use language in this chat. So it's language, the sciences, all of the subjects that they taught us in school. It's art. When a kid is born, you teach them art. That's my analogy. So I see it. Yeah. So people, our environment is here to teach us everything. From the rocks to the trees, to the caves. It's all here. So we need to wipe out most of the stuff that we learned. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy, eh? But I can tell you, start from this. Start from heart. It's a round circle. See what you can dig out of it. See what you can do with that round circle. Because I don't deal with box. That's a prison system. I keep moving, I keep rotating, I keep evolving. Yeah. So this misconception of people coming together to suppress energies, it is a misconception. Because we need to understand energies. It's no Christianity, it's no Jesus, it's no Allah, it's no religion thing. This is spiritual. And anything spiritual makes the world of sense. Alright? Because spirituality made churches. Spirituality made all these businesses. Spirituality made the world. Freemasonry. It's of a higher order. That's spirituality. With thinking men and women that are thinking using this. Not what they've learned in school. Because none of these spiritual people, you tell them, you ask them stuff they learn in school. Yes, they will speak English, so we have to get across with our languages. But they don't dwell in what they learn in school. Because that's just a stepping stone for greatness. Alright? So when I hear these people come out of high school and college, oh, I've got so much subjects. I have degree in this, I have degree in that. I have PhD in this, I have PhD in that. I've got my doctorate. Crap. Because if they can't reason out things for people to really understand, what's the sense of you going around and manipulating people's minds? We need to stop all of this. Give the people, or give Caesar what's due to Caesar. A lot of people don't even know that I talk. Because when I talk, I make money. That's why the international people gravitate to me. Jamaicans were like, oh, he's a madman, he's this. I've been mute for a long while around the people that you think that I should be talking around. Why? Because my heavens was opened from a long time ago. I know my trad.